Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. An apple is medium, not big, not small. It is round. Apples can be red, yellow, or green. This fruit is sweet and a bit sour. You can eat it fresh, put in pies, or make juice. A lemon is medium, not big, not small. It is oval. Lemons are yellow. This fruit is sour. You use lemons in cooking to flavor dishes and to make lemonade. An orange is about the size of a baseball. It is round. Oranges are orange. This fruit is sweet and a bit sour. You can eat it fresh or make an orange juice. A banana is medium. It is long and curved. Bananas are yellow. This fruit is sweet and creamy. You can eat it fresh or put into smoothies. A strawberry size is from small to medium. It is round and or slightly conical. Strawberries are red. This berry is sweet and juicy. You can eat it fresh, use in desserts, jams, and smoothies. A cherry is a small berry with a pit inside it. It is round. Cherries are red or dark red. This berry is sweet and juicy. You can eat it fresh, use in pies, jams, and preserves. A grape is a small berry with some pits inside it. It is round or oval. Grapes can be red, green, or purple. This fruit is sweet and a bit sour. You can eat it fresh, make raisins, juice, or wine. A blueberry is small. It is round. Blueberries are blue or purple. This berry is sweet. You can eat it fresh, use in baking, smoothies, and jams. A watermelon is big with lots of pits inside it. It is round. Watermelons are green on the outside, pink or red inside. This fruit is sweet, juicy, and refreshing. You eat it fresh, often in the summertime. A kiwi is small to medium. It is oval. Kiwis are brown and fuzzy on the outside, bright green inside. This fruit is sweet and a bit sour. You can eat it fresh, often peeled and sliced. See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.